Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I'm proud to introduce the HTC One. HTC One has this amazing screen, 4.7-inch, 720p HD. This is very high quality. HTC One is a true superphone that delivers cutting-edge experience. It is the one camera you will need. It is the one way you enjoy all of your music. With HTC One, we are introducing image sense technology. Image sense improves every part of the camera. The lens, the sensor, software, UI, shoot photo, shoot video. Don't think about it. Just do it. For HTC One, image sense dramatically cut down the time to your first shot. We insist on making it happen in just 0.7 seconds. It works at the speed of light. We have really pushed what is possible for the HDR technology. These are photos we took with an HTC One and another popular smartphone with or without HDR. But Salesforce camera interface, it has both photo and video buttons right there. Give us a way to do both. It works the same if you play back the video later. Another thing that has the power to make us really feel is music. PC engineer, no music. HTC engineer, no mobile. That's why we partner with Beats. So with HTC One, you are going to have the best sound experience. I'm proud to show you two other members of HTC One.
I like to describe the One X by distilling it down to three basic ideas: piano gloss sidewall, curved glass, and a simple, iconic camera detail. For the HTC One S, we began with the metal unibody that HTC is well known for, and we put it on our thinnest phone yet. We've crafted this phone with two new finishes that have never been done on mobile phones before. It's called micro arc oxidation. We bathe the aluminum in a plasma field. That's essentially what we're doing, is covering the metal with microscopic lightning bolts that at the point of interaction, it's hotter than the surface of the sun. We're not creating a coating, we're actually transforming this aluminum surface into a ceramic. But I love the look of this finish. It's ultra matte and it's ultra black. It just sucks up all the light that hits it. So the second finish for the One S, but we've developed and patented a gradient anodized finish. It creates a light to dark fade across the length of the phone. And through the One V, we're going to bring the design that HTC is so well known for to as many people as possible. We've paid so close attention to quality and to the smallest of details.
HTC One is the best phone we have ever made, and we are going big with them. HTC One will have the broadest distribution of any phone we have ever launched. It is my personal mission to create a phone that delivers what really matters. It is the one phone you will need.